My dear viewers, welcome to my Christmas wishes images video. I thought it would be a good idea to talk a little bit about Christmas wishes with you today, because Christmas is coming up, and why not talking about our wishes? We are all collectors, and collectors have always wishes. So I would like to tell you my top 5 Christmas wishes in this Christmas wishes image video. By the way, last year I made a top 5 repair video, and man, I would really be happy if you would like my video. Give me a thumbs up for my crazy video ideas. So my number 5 in our Christmas wishes image video is repair stuff. We need, of course, next year stuff for repairs too, and yeah. My number 5 on my Christmas wish list is repair stuff for Barbie, of course. My number 4 is vintage dolls. I don't have a lot of them, so I would be happy to have some more vintage dolls. Ken or Skipper from Mattel. On my wish list, my number 3 is the Color Magic Barbie. I always wanted to have a Color Magic Barbie, but unfortunately they are very expensive, and I don't have one yet in my collection, but I would be curious to test her function with the hair, and that's why she's on my list, on my Christmas wishes images list. My number 2 is the photo fashion series. I've always liked the photo fashion dolls, but since they are superstars and very collectible, they are hard to find, and that's why I don't have any of them yet. But I would really be happy to have one of them in my collection. Maybe, who knows? Christmas is coming up. Maybe I'm the lucky one and I'll get one. Let's see. And my number 1 wish on my Christmas wishes list is the Chevy from 1957, which was produced in the late 80s. Not in the 50s, of course. But I would be happy if I would get the Barbie Chevy for completing my diorama ideas. I have a lot of diorama ideas for the Chevy, but the Chevy is in the meantime also a rare piece, and I don't have one yet, so maybe let's cross our fingers that I maybe get one for Christmas. Let's see. I have, of course, some ideas what to do with the Chevy. I would, or let's say I'm inspired by old movies, and you often see gas stations, and I have the soda fountain from the Coca-Cola series, and sometimes I have the idea to make a gas station diorama in Barbie size, which would be quite large. That's why I haven't done it, because you need a lot of space, and that's the problem at the moment. I don't have so many space here in my apartment. Now, I hope you like my little video. That were my 5 Christmas wishes on my Christmas wish list in my Christmas wishes images video. I hope you like my little video. Give me a thumbs up. Like my channel, share new ideas if you want. I'm always open for new ideas on my channel. Recommend it to your collector friends. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!